Hi everyone. Today we will learn about do while loop. Using this loop we can print 1 to 10 numbers. The help of do while loop is a loop repeatedly executes a group of statements up to condition is true. How it works and syntax we can see now. Syntax of do while loop. Do statements while condition we can't write like this. This is the do while loop statements. It prints the statements first and enter loop. It prints the statements, after that check the condition. This is the syntax of do while loop. I would like to print 1 to 10 numbers. To print 1 to 10 numbers. This is the single line comment. We need to import java.lang package. It is mandatory for every program. Lang.star class test public static void main string args array still no common. For that int x declaration of the variable. I would like to print 1 to 10 numbers. Initial value I assign 1. I know 1 to 10. So initialize the variable to initialization. Assigning the value to the variable we can call it as initialization. Declaration, this one. I go for do while loop. Do open. First I would like to print 1. System.out.println of x. It prints initially 1. Then x value how to increment x is equal to x plus 1 with the help of increment operator. X plus plus. Then now here in this line of code the x value 1 only. Then coming to this line, then its value increment while x less than or equal to 10. While loop with condition. Then it's execute. Repeatedly execute a block of statement. This is the closing while loop, do while loop. Close main method, close class. Observe here. It first print 1, then it checks the value. Now x value 2 less than or equal to 10. It's true. Then go for once again here print 2. then 2 plus here once line coming to line here x value 3 less than or equal to 10 true. Execute this block of statements or group of statements. Using do while loop we can print the 1 to 10 numbers. How to run the program? To run the program, first compile the javac test.java, java test, then 1 2 println means 1 by 1, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 up to equal to 10, x less than or equal to 10, then it prints 1 to 10 numbers. This is the output of print 1 to 10 numbers using do while loop. In do while loop, it's first print the initial condition, first statement, after that increment x value, print, go for loop, check the condition. The same program with the help of while loop we can, using while loop we can print the 1 to 10 numbers. For that syntax for while loop, while condition statements the syntax for while loop. Now I replace that do while loop with while loop. Where I need block of code do while loop, this. While x less than or equal to 10, then system.out.println of x plus plus close the while loop. Here while loop checks the condition first, after that print the x value, then increment the x value, then loop continually execute up to condition is true. The same output will come using the while loop also. In do while loop, print the statement first, after that increment the x value, then checks the condition. In coming to while loop, then first check the condition, print the statement, increase the value of x. What is the difference between? This is the difference of while and do loop. Which one is best one? Then compared to do while and while loop, do while loop in first step without checking the condition it prints the x value. Then coming to while loop, first checks the condition, then print the x value. While loop is better than do while loop because from first step onwards it controls the condition, I mean checks the condition, control of the statement from first step onwards. While coming to do while loop, it's not happen in first step onwards. Which one is efficient? While loop is efficient than compared to do while loop. Thank you everyone. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe Bhargavi Royal.